This exceptional country residence is for sale. Located in Stretton, England. It offers 8 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms. Stretton Hall is a substantial country residence set within the Cheshire countryside. Set within approximately 48 acres of landscaped gardens, woodland and paddocks, the property occupies an elevated position at the end of a striking driveway. With over 11,000 square feet of habitable space, the property combines elegant period architecture with modern living, featuring high ceilings, original fireplaces, exposed beams, and beautifully proportioned reception rooms filled with natural light. At its heart is a spacious kitchen and family room designed for contemporary lifestyles, complemented by formal entertaining spaces and flexible accommodation with multiple bedrooms and bathrooms. Surrounded by landscaped gardens and outdoor entertaining areas, with additional outbuildings offering further potential, Stretton Hall presents an exceptional opportunity to enjoy refined country living. The asking price of this exceptional country residence is £7,500,000. For more information, see the property listing in the description below. Thank you for watching.